In this demonstration, I will show you some examples of sales order promising scenarios, but let me first show you the setup I prepared. So first of all, I have assigned a shipping time of 1 week to customer 10,000, and I did this by creating a new shipping agent service code for agent DHL. Then next, for location East, so let me exit the customer card and search for locations. So for location East, I configured the inbound and outbound warehouse handling time. So inbound, let me scroll down, is 1 day. Sorry, outbound is 1 day and inbound is 2 days. And I also entered a lead time for item Surface Pro. So my new Surface items, if I go to items and if I open my Surface Pro item, on the item card, I configured a lead time of, let me double check, I think 3 days. Yes, 3 days. And so here on the replenishment fast tab, you can enter the lead time calculation, and that's 3 days for this item. All right, let's start with the first example, a very simple example. So we get an order from customer 10,000, ordering the Surface Pro for location East. So let me start with entering the customer. So customer 10,000. So in this case, the customer doesn't request a specific delivery date. So I will leave the requested delivery date field blank. Instead, I will go to the item and I will enter the Surface Pro item for location East and a quantity. That's not very important here. Let me just use 1. Because more important are the date fields that we now see. So let me scroll to the right, and there you can see the 3 date fields that we need for sales order promising. Notice that I've changed the order a little bit. So first we have the shipment date, then the planned shipment date, and then the planned delivery date. So here we see that the shipment date is the same as the order date. Again, this is because there's no requested or promised delivery date, which means that Business Central does a simple forward calculation starting with the shipment date today. Then because there's 1 day outbound warehouse handling time, you see that the planned shipment date is tomorrow, so April 9. And because we have 1 week shipping time to the customer, the planned delivery date is April 16. So this is the day that we arrive at the customer's facility. So again, a very simple forward calculation for an item that is available